Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include blind spot monitor, high beam assist, navigation system, steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.